there, I'm back with my weekly grocery haul. It's just a quick shop this week. I've been kind of going to the store a lot in between trips. I think we made 3 or 4 different trips to stores over the course of the last week just to pick up things here and there, so I didn't need a whole lot. Also, to note, we just got an air fryer, so I bought a lot of junk food to try in our air fryer. No judgment. Okay. So first and foremost, I got this ginormous bag of French fries. I just went to Walmart, by the way. I didn't bother going to Aldi since I had so few things to purchase. But yeah, I got this ginormous thing of French fries. I got some shrimp. We're going to do a shrimp Alfredo for dinner one night this week. We hit up the clearance bakery rack, so we got some cheese danishes, some strawberry cinnamon rolls, and some donuts, which my kids got into in the car on the way home. Picked up a big bag of cereal for the kids. Some coffee creamer, you guys know, the Italian sweet cream for me, the original for my husband. Picked up some ham for sandwiches for the week. Some bananas. This is where the junk food starts. So I got some jalapeno poppers, 2 boxes of the cream cheese ones. I picked up a box of the mini corn dogs to go in the air fryer. Also picked up some chimichangas to go in the air fryer. Probably, it won't all be in one day, obviously, but just wanted to try a variety of things. Needed an adhesive roller for my son's English project, so I got that. Some more hummus for Robbie. He's obsessed with hummus right now. A bag of cat food. Some paper towels. I got a thing of the heavy whipping cream. That's for our shrimp Alfredo. Some buttermilk waffles for quick and easy breakfasts in the morning. A gallon of milk and a half a gallon of orange juice. And lastly is a case of Coke, which we also got into in the car on the way home. So that was it for my grocery haul. Super quick and easy. It was like 65 bucks. Got everything we needed to supplement all the other stuff we bought throughout the week, like laundry detergent and dishwasher detergent, stuff like that. So we should be good. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe so that you never miss a grocery haul or another video. And I'll see you guys next time.